Presenting the Tacno Camon 19 Pro 5G. It comes in color options of cedar green and eco black. The phone has display of 94.3% screen-to-body ratio, 6.8 inches Full HD+, plus display and 0.98 mm extremely narrow bezels. The phone also has slimmest bezels and 120Hz higher refresh rate. It has industry-first 64MP triple camera. It has 16MP HDR selfie camera. It has help of memory fusion technology. It comes with 5000 mAh battery. It has a GBW sensor, 128GB M.5.1 internal storage and up to 13GB larger RAM, 8GB LPDDR4X RAM+. Expandable storage slot and to 5GB virtual RAM. It supports 12 5G band support and SA/NSA dual 5G mode. It runs on upgrade support to Android 13 and iOS 8.6 based on Android 12. It is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G 6nm processor. It also features ultra-fast side fingerprint sensor, smart features like accept calls, take pictures and melodious loud sound with DTS optimization, music, smart video, and game modes.